Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys to fix if your smooth slow motion isn't working. So it should be speed here, and then you're just going to make it like slower, enable smooth slow motion, and enable which one you want. Now if that doesn't work, you're just going to go to menu, go to more, and select the version you have. Check for updates, and if there's any updates you're just going to install now. You're going to just wait for it to update the app, and hopefully after that it's going to work. And that's the only fix that I have, because I've had this issue before, and the only solution that I had was to just update it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.